Guys, welcome back to my channel. Now my name is Ife. I know it's been like forever since I posted like a regular YouTube video, but if you've been following me for a while, you notice I've been posting some videos and shorts, so I'll suggest you check them out. But today I just want to show you how I made this stuffed date bars. Like, seriously, when you have this, I don't think you need Snickers anymore. No offense to the Snicker company, but yeah, these are really tasty. To begin, I get the date and then I'm just going to be slicing the date open just to get rid of the seeds that are in it. And then once I've gotten rid of the seeds, I just set it aside. Next, I move on to the peanuts. Now, for the purpose of this recipe, I used unsalted peanuts, and they're roasted, like roasted unsalted peanuts. But you could use the salted ones if you like salt, but I won't recommend it. After that, I chop the peanuts into little bits. You can use your food processor, or you can simply use a knife to just chop them into little even bits. If you've been following me for a while, I believe you'd have watched the recipe of how I make my homemade almond and peanut butter. So that's what I'm using here. I simply scoop a little bit of the almond and peanut butter, and then I put it in between the dates. I'm gonna attach the link of the almond and peanut butter recipe so you can check it out. After that, I just take a spoon and then I scoop a bit of the crushed peanuts, and then I just put it in between the dates as well. Once that is done, the next step is to coat the dates with some melted dark chocolate. Now, to make it easy for you, you can use a toothpick to pierce the date, so that way it doesn't get all messy, and then you'll be able to coat the whole of the dates without missing any part. Whole part of the date is covered in chocolate. I then sprinkle some peanuts on top again, and then I'm just going to be setting this in the fridge for it to cool. And once it cools down, it becomes this lovely stuffed bar. Oh my god. This chocolate, if you don't have self-control, like, you just eat everything. This is how I made this stuffed date bar, and trust me, it's a very good treat for the whole family. I do hope you enjoyed this very short video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching. Until next time, I remain your girl Ife. Bye.